Welcome back to channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can fix your iPhone speaker which sounds too low. So it is very easy. What you need to check if your phone is on a silent mode or it is on a ring mode. In iPhone 16 Pro Max, as you can see that there is a button for here for silent mode or for ringing mode. What you need to do is just tap on it and check if your phone is on silent, or hold for a second. It will automatically come into a ring mode. Another option is there is a volume button here. What you need to do is press volume to maximize if you want to increase your sound speakers. Another option we have is just go to the settings, and after going to the settings, go down here in sound and haptics. After going in sound and haptics, as you can see that there is a ringtone alert, and it will show you the volume button here. You can adjust the volume button accordingly. Okay, so that's how you can arrange it. Another thing you need to keep in your mind is just check on the settings of haptics, and you must see that it should always play option. In my case, in my settings, I have done into a silent mode, play in silent mode as well, haptics. So another option which you need to consider here is the volume limit down there. In volume limit, you must ensure that this option limit maximize volume is off to ensure the maximum sound for your iPhone. Okay, so that's how you can fix the issue of iPhone speaker. If you have any other question, just let me know. I'll try my best to answer as soon as I can. Thank you very much.